So can I tanum oye pan ne oye rings ne.
We would have.
Say no I condemn and I got to. Okay. So this is one thing you have to change, right? So this is the oil rings. When the oil rings.
We don't get what the shoe my chim correct. A chimpa.
That's always the sunny now.
Yeah,
Rings in the set.
When we are fine, we are you. And we are made few ways so kakra. Spring will win. Train a bear wash shot. And this one.
Okay, so you change the oil rings. And then you follow all the ring set. New rings. So these are the valves. Right. So these are the engine valves. So, bro, which one is the exhaust one? Exhaust is the down one, right?
This is the exhaust.
Okay, so the top one is the inlet.
This is the inlet.
Okay, so if your car bends oil, so this is one thing you have to do. You have to take these things out. So after taking these things out, you have to remove these things and then you grind the valves. And then to avoid any oil consumption. So if the oil passes through this one and then comes out inside this valves here, that is where your engine burns a lot of oil. So in the results, you have to buy a lot of engine oil in the long run, right? So exactly. Okay, so we are going to remove all these things and then grind them and change the oil valves to avoid all the oil burning. So there are two things that we are doing, right? So you change the valve seals and grind them, and then as well as you fire the rings and then have another, and then you have a brand new engine. So we'll push this one inside. Okay. So if your car consumes more or burns lots of oil, so that is exactly how you have to do it. So let me know in the comment section below which type of vehicle you are using or you are driving, and then for us to guide you on how to deal with oil burning. So these are the rings that we are changing, right? So the compression ring, this is one, and then this is the second ring, and then this is the oil rings, right? The very most important for oil burning. So these are the rings that we are changing on this car. So if your car burns a lot of oil, so let me know in the comment section. Just two things that you have to say, two major things you have to change, right? So the rings and then the oil valves. Valves in it.
Valves in my shell.
Sure.